Two top project management platforms, Zoho Projects and Freecamp, are vying for your workflow. Which one truly powers your productivity? On the left, Zoho Projects, a robust suite built for teams of all sizes. On the right, Freecamp, an agile, flexible platform making collaboration simple. We're testing both with real-world scenarios across ease of use, features, integrations, support, pricing, and more. Let's ditch the marketing hype and find out what actually matters for your team. Every category counts toward the final score, so you'll see exactly which platform stands out. And trust us, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's a quick mind map for what we're going to cover. We'll look at pricing, features and flexibility, integrations, collaboration, user experience, and mobile support. Each one matters depending on who you are and what you need, right? Let's start digging in. First up, pricing. Zoho Projects isn't hiding anything. They've got transparent plans, especially if you want to pay for a year up front, which saves you a bit. But there's not really a free version that feels, truly useful, and honestly, adding stuff here and there, it can get pricey. Now, Freecamp, oh man, this one's for the budget lovers. Their free plan actually covers a ton, which you don't see often, and even their paid upgrades, way cheaper than you might expect. Sure, the fancier features hit you with premium add-ons, but you're spending way less. I mean, if you just want to get started with premium add-ons, but you're spending through CC Bayless. Moving on to features and flexibility. Zoho Projects is like a feature buffet. You've got time tracking, automations, even resource utilization. It's wild how much you get, and I love how customizable it is, but honestly, it can throw you into the deep end if you're new. Meanwhile, Freecamp isn't short on features task lists, Kanban, templates, mobile apps, Gantt charts if you pay up. It's got a solid toolkit, but not quite as nerdy or deep as Zoho, especially if you want serious automations or reporting. So, if you want all the knobs to tweak and don't mind digging in, the winner's pretty clear. Integration battle time. Zoho? If you're already knee-deep in the Zoho world, it's almost perfect. Everything just plugs in. Zoho apps, Google, Slack, Microsoft, Zapier, you name it. But fair warning, if you're not using Zoho tools, you won't get that wow factor. Freecamp does cover the basics. Google Drive, Dropbox, Zapier, imports from email, stuff like that. It's decent, just not as deep or wide. So yeah, pretty obvious who's got the edge here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Freecamp's founder launched its core platform completely free back in 2010 just to help out startups struggling with costs? That's pretty wild, right? Collaboration. This is interesting because both bring their A game, just in different ways. Zoho goes old school with built-in chat, forums, and feeds, and they've got role-based permissions and document management. On the flip side, Freecamp's got discussions, milestones, notifications, mentions. Super easy stuff that just works, though some extra cool features are locked behind paywalls. Design-wise, Zoho doesn't look as slick, but when it comes to letting your team actually work together in real time, it's kind of a tie. I mean, both are solid. Let's talk about user experience. This one, I gotta say, swings a bit. Zoho's like the customizable playground. Tons of widgets, dashboards, it's your world. But it's busy. There's a learning curve. You can get lost. Freecamp, though, is just blissfully clean and easy. Onboarding new folks, super simple. They do limit you on customizing, but there's way less cognitive overload. Personally, I love an interface that doesn't make me overthink things, so this round goes to Freecamp. Okay, mobile support. Gotta be able to manage your stuff on the go, right? Zoho's got solid iOS and Android apps, notifications, the basics are covered. Some power features are still desktop only, which is a bummer. Freecamp, same deal, mobile on all platforms, very responsive, super snappy for updating tasks. But again, some advanced modules didn't make it to mobile. So yeah, neither one really leaves the other in the dust. I'd call this one a tie. Right? If we look at the score spread, you can see where each platform pulls ahead. It's not all lopsided. Zoho is a beast in features and integrations, while Freecamp's all about easy access and pricing. Collaboration and mobile support, neck and neck. So here's the deal. If your team needs all those next level enterprise features and you're already using Zoho's other tools, Zoho Projects is pretty much made for you. But if you just want something that's actually affordable and easy to use without spending days setting it up, Freecamp is honestly hard to beat. Found this breakdown helpful? Hit that follow if you want more deep dives like this. You never know which software face-off is coming up next.